Hey, this is Omar Zamora, the responsible master plumber of Pro Veterans Plumbing, where we're owned and ran by a veteran. I'm coming to you again from the plumbing lab of River City Hope Street, where they offer you an 8-week course of electrical or plumbing. This is a little extra knowledge that we'd like to share with you. Today, we're going to be doing a preventative maintenance on an electric water heater. I already made a video of natural gas and propane. I did mention the electric. I just wanted to make sure that we take care and give good loving to these little poor electric water heaters. Most water heaters are located in the attic, the garage, sometimes in the center of your home. The best thing for you to do is make sure you take care of your water heater. This poor guy was not taken care of. The customer did not do any preventative maintenance on it. By manufacturer's recommendations, they tell you once a year, flush it out. Don't drain the tank, flush it out. This is how we're going to show you how to do it. First things first, because this guy is electric, you want to find your actual electric meter box where your breakers are at. Some of them are labeled, some of them are not. This is normally a 240 volt electric water heater. Once you find the breakers, shut it off completely. Next step is we want to leave the water on because we want to flush it out. We do not want to drain it. So once we have the electricity shut off and we know for a fact everything is well, we're going to come down to the drain. Hook up your hose, run it to the outside or to your nearest tub. Once you have that, turn the spot on. Let it run for a couple of minutes. I normally give it about 20 to 30 minutes. Look to see what's coming out of the tank. If there's a lot of debris, a lot of calcium, a lot of gunk coming through, let it run, let it clean itself. It desperately needs it. Well, I recommend for electric water heaters to actually do it consistently. This guy was not done ever. This is your element. This is what heats the water inside of the tank. This is your thermostat. You're gonna have two of them, an upper and a lower. The lower is the one that goes up the fastest because the calcium sediment will build up inside of the tank that is not being flushed out and causes your element to give out and it dies on you. So if you do this regularly, like the preventative maintenance that the manufacturer recommends, you should be okay. But life expectancy on these things can vary from location to location. In Austin, we get about 8 to 15 years. So once you have that up and running and you're flushing it out, your next course would be check your temperature and pressure relief valve. This is the only safety device that is going to protect this water heater. If the pressure gets too high, it opens up and releases itself. If the temperature of the water is too hot, it opens up and it releases itself, stopping from any kind of major incidences happening to your home. So when you pop this little tab open, you hear water running through. You can physically and literally see this water passing through. Then you know the valve is still working. Once you shut it off and it's off and it's not running anymore, you're good to go. If it's still running, give us a call. We would love to come out and take care of this water heater for you. So once you have it up and running and everything's flushed out and you're looking great, you shut the water off at the bottom. You make sure nothing is leaking. Go back outside, turn on the breaker, turn it back on. It normally takes 30 minutes to an hour for the heater to heat the water back up to its regular part. So if you do have it where you just can't do it, give us a call. We would love to take care of you. Our service is our legacy. Thank you.